Back-to-back defeat for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Karela United ache Krobi Asante Kotoko. Ghana Premier League match day 20 ache Kotoko 2-1-0 ewo Nelerugu. Yes, enone de ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Karela for no ashomu in the last two games. It is quite unfortunate. MTN FA Cup omune yi Kotoko free ewo Tamale ene omasa ache Kotoko. In the second leg ewo Ghana Premier League no match day 20 game no Kotoko and Sheda and Mobo bia as usual Kotoko ball no eba in the second half. Now second half goal no eba in the 60th minute, 59th minute, 60th minute na goal no eba. Nti ekoba asa na was Kotoko pressure but pressure no entman for equalizer no ama. Starting 11 of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Then again Nuruddin ayeka no ho asem say the agent sensem no one started. And yesako ball Justice Blay or right back na player friend Emmanuel Kote so one starting game no one bem cry. It's quite unfortunate lineup no at the screen no. So Frederick Asare, Justice Blay, Eric Zeze, Stephen Mukwala, Henry Ansu, Richmond Lamte, Nicholas Osebonsu, Peter Miduakwa, Nicholas Mensah, John Tereku and Rocky Dramana every game num. Rocky Dramana every game num and Peter Midu and so every mu Emma Michael Che Dramana ebemu Nicholas Osebonsu every game num Emma Kalu Watara and so ebe Bobby so changes kakra ebaye eno now Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the first half send him di kai no game no ekoye den down affairs but Kofo no pressure in the first half Kotoko pressure kakra bi but omu goalkeeper no in the second half na oboa kakra but no achi no kra no Kotoko pressing na nheda nye hard to say the enim Kotoko anani abre no. It is quite unfortunate na se say the Kotoko lose the opportunity to have gone to the top. We him say Kotoko 32 points na Samates ekura 35 na Samates for no echina omoko away to Bechem United so mutimi ko win dia omo extend but sa Bechem United show mo dia ejina eno ne information kakra ewo ho a wose ye passing out. Kotoko lost out on so many opportunities in this particular game because Omukipa no a very good or say or one of the best keepers actually in the Ghana Premier League but enam team a obono entina yenhu ni ye ewo ho no. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko lose last two games against Asek Mimosa and this time around against Karela United. Kotoko next game no efie home games obebo Accra Lions ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium and also the information kakra ewo ho. Kotoko away performance no hasn't been the best at all and it is about time Coach Ogum should set up and Coach Ogum Emmanuel Kote Akofana Bass right back are still na unyusu no still na amanfo ebusa ho asem me sure say ene post match press conference mo club ba be cheche nsemu questions are nyina ye twen na ye de nchiremu na ba nchiremu ne ba ya me de bebrew ewofia. It is a worrying situation with this results Kotoko nyan.